Hey gang, you see I'm suited and booted. Today we're gonna be doing the insulation. So I think I showed you guys. I'm trying not to. There. So now I just need to do my face covering and all that good stuff. So hold on. I got this, and where's my earplugs? I guess I don't need that.
Just know we're about to have a car wash.
This is already starting off bad. All right, I put the mask on backwards. Okay. Oh, upside down. Okay. And so I just want to make sure everything is covered and secure. Okay, I can't see. All right. See right now, this is going to be a process. Okay. And FYI, just FYI, I've never done it like this before. So don't bother to come for me in the comments like, oh, you're not supposed to do it like that. I'm like, I don't care. Okay? I don't care. It's going to get done. Either way. It will get done. Okay, so I'm gonna just tuck this underneath. There. Because I have to put on eye shields. And my glasses. So that I can see what's going on. Or I might not need it. I don't know, we'll see. Alright. And then we'll part these. Put that underneath there. And then let's see if this will work over the glasses. Oh. I feel like I'm suffocating. All right. So oh my God, I don't know how they do shit like this, cause okay. I'm literally fogging up my, okay, you know what? We just gonna have to, cause I'm fogging up my glasses and I really feel like I'm suffocating with this mask on. I don't know. We'll get through it. Okay, so scissors so I can cut it. Let me put you guys out lower. So you can kind of see what I'm doing here. I've been putting this off. I've been on vacation. And I have not got around to this. I should have been undone this. Okay, I think I'm adjusting to it. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay. All right. right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to measure it first. Alright, now we need a ladder. Nail gun. anticipate this, that the nail gun would not work.
Wow.
So now, for safety, I gotta figure out something else. Okay. Shit.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, that was almost my thing. It's okay, I'm okay. I am okay. I'm just trying to find some nails right now. Because this, I didn't anticipate this. I thought it would work. And it's not. And I really don't need, okay, these might work. So I might need to use my drill and use it. This is going to be kind of stupid. And these nails are expensive. Alright. So, let's do this. Okay. This just tells me that now I need to do it. Now, this is not going the way I want it to go. Are you kidding me? No bit. This is not starting out how I expected. I'm frustrated right now. Really frustrated to the point where I just want to say, you get the hint. I'm honestly gonna have to come back because everything, this is what they call
A few moments later.
the phrase for it, but it's going wrong. So I'll have to be back. I'll have to come back. Okay. So far this is the progress. Let me see how I'm starting like that. But I'm doing it this way because my camera, I can't flip the screen around. Or I'm just too silly. Anyway, so here, I've done this side. I just put this here. I need to put one here. And so far I've used 3 rows from the bundles here, and I got 8. I did this side here. The only reason why I'm recording like this is because earlier, I don't even know if I'm gonna upload that video because I got so pissed off. I think I got more pissed at myself. And I just lost my patience and I just said, I was trying to use my nail gun. The nail gun wasn't working and I just said the hell with it for a minute. So I sat down, got myself together, tried this shit again. And so this is the results. So what I have left is definitely going to finish up here. I'll probably get that done today. And then I still have up there to do. I believe the ceilings have to have insulation, and up there in the loft, but I haven't got up there yet. And that probably most likely won't get done today anyway. If there's any left over to do in the loft, probably maybe I'll do it tomorrow or over the weekend. I still have the wind is picking up, so it's knocking shit over. I still have this restroom to do. Never mind the junk here. It's all my tools and such. I'll probably just do this side here. And right here, I still have to put a tankless water heater. So I probably won't put insulation there because I need the wall to be exposed to pull the wiring, piping, or whatever the freaking hell, however you hook it up. I ain't figured that out yet. I'm kind of go with the flow. But yeah, this is what I've gotten done so far. And I'm not finished, so I'll probably come back. I'm not going to continue to record because I don't want you guys to see me in my frustrating stages. But so far, everything is going good. They're going good so far. So I'll come back and let you guys see when I finish up for today. All right. Quick video. Here's everything. I did decide to put the insulation in the bathroom. So here it is. There's like the plug-in all right here. I did up the top. All right here. Only place I didn't do is the loft, like I said before. But everything else is finito.
What if I told you life is a beautiful moment?